GLM is not stopping, and so are we. GLM has just released this new automatic speech recognition model in a very small 1.5 billion parameter size. And if you look at the benchmarks, the model looks really sublime. In this video, we are going to install it locally and I will be testing it out on various prompts. Before I get started, let me show you something very interesting. In the last 1 or 2 weeks, Jaifu has released, or the GLM team has released, all of these models in various modalities, in text to speech, in vision flash, in vision full premium model, and the list goes on and on and on. So other Chinese labs are a bit silent, but ZAI think they are on a roll at the moment. And not only that, I also have covered another very cool model from them around phone agent. Check it out on the channel, you will be very impressed. By the way, this is Fahad Pirza and I welcome you to the channel. Please like the video and subscribe and consider becoming a member, as that helps a lot. Also, please follow me on X if you're looking for AI updates without hype, without fluff. So let's go back to this channel. Now this not the I mean the model. So this model focuses on real world challenges like low volume whispered speech, dialect variations. Particularly, it is suited for both English and Chinese. It is bilingual, but in addition to that, it also can deal with Cantonese, Mandarin, and few other Chinese dialects. If you have a noisy or overlapping audio in various scenarios such as meetings, you can use this model for transcription. Unlike many large closed source model, this one is fully open source. The license is very permissive and it is designed for efficient deployment, and I will be telling you more about it. But for now, let's get it installed. I'm going to use this Ubuntu system. I have one GPU card, NVIDIA RTX 6000 with 48 GB of VRAM. If you're looking to rent a GPU on very affordable price, you can find the link to their website in video's description with a discount coupon code of 50% for a range of GPUs. So please do check them out. Let's go back and now let's git clone the repo, and I will drop the link to it in video's description. And from there, what I'm going to do, I'm going to install all the requirements from the root of the repo. This is going to take a couple of minutes. While that happens, let's talk more about its benchmarking. If you look at this benchmark table, you can see that it has performed quite well, especially if you look at a data set like VNet meeting, where we can deal with noisy and overlapping speech, or iShell standard, or even the Libri clean. It has done quite good and it has achieved the lowest average error rate among open source entries. It has outperformed Fun Audio ASR Nano and FireRed ASR. I haven't covered FireRed ASR yet. I will be doing it soon, but I think the performance of this model is quite good given even the size in terms of parameter. But if you compare it to, of course, to OpenAI Whisper and Seed ASR, it is trailing behind. But given the size, I think it could be a good alternate, especially if you're looking for a bilingual ASR model. Everything is installed. Let's now do the inference. For inference, thankfully they have provided a script where we can specify the checkpoint of the model and our audio file from our local system. And the first time when we run this, it downloads the model and the size is 4.5 gig. While it downloads the model and work on that audio file, let me play that audio file for you.
Leaving the corpse within the house, they go themselves to and fro about the city and beat themselves, with their garments bound up by a girdle.
And while I was playing it, you can see that it has already downloaded the model and it has done the transcription, which is spot on. Let me, let me now just also show you the VRAM consumption. But as the model is not loaded onto the GPU, so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to clear the screen and run it on another audio file. I'm going to provide it a long 10-minute audio file. So this is audio file. I will play it as it start progressing, and then we will listen while it does the transcription. But more importantly, let me run this and we top here, and then we will just check the VRAM consumption. Let me run this. It is going to load the model, and we will check how much VRAM consumption is there. So it is consuming, you can see it is increasing, and okay, so just touch over 7 gig. As you can see, it has done the transcription. I think in the script it just prints this much amount of it. Let me see if I can change the script to increase the number of printed characters. As the model's context length is around 8K, so I have just given it this touch over 6,000 max new token, and it has done the transcription. Let me play the audio and then we will check it out together. Let me make it slightly smaller and then I will play the audio here.
Universal pursuit, sought by people from all walks of life and in every corner of the world. Yet, the meaning of happiness can be deeply personal and unique to each of us. For some, happiness comes from achieving goals like graduating from school, landing a dream job, or building a family. For others, it is rooted in quiet moments, such as a cozy morning with a cup of coffee, hearing birdsong outside the window, or enjoying a walk through nature. At its core, happiness often thrives in gratitude, taking the time to notice and appreciate the good things. No matter how small, scientific studies at making a habit of gratitude, like writing down 3 things you're thankful for each day, can have a powerful effect on well-being and mood. It shifts our attention from what we lack or what's gone wrong to what we already have. Over kindness gradually rewires our brains to notice the positive more easily. Another key to happiness is connection. Human beings are social creatures, and meaningful relationships are one of.
Okay, so it is making a lot of mistakes. So I think I would say it is, if you compare it to Whisper and few other models, it is pretty average. As I said, we're not going to fall for the hype. Model does well for very short audios, and even in that one it made slight one or two mistakes, but this one it is full of mistakes. So I think this is where they can improve a lot. Plus transcription has come a long way with this generative AI, so I think they really need to lift their game in terms of this. Let's do a very quick Chinese one. So I'm just going to play this Chinese file and then we will check.
门口不远处就是一个地铁站，这是一个美丽而神奇的景象。树上长满了又大又甜的桃子，海豚和金鱼的表演是很好看的节目。邮局门前的人行道上有一个蓝色的邮箱。
Okay, so if you're a Chinese speaker, please let us know what do you think, if it is correct or not. Other than that, I think GLM, given their stature now, they could have done better. Let me know your thoughts. Very keen to know. They are always very insightful. Again, please like the video and subscribe and consider becoming a member, because that is what keeps the channel going. And please follow me on X if you're looking for AI updates. Thank you for all the support.